Lekoko la SACP le tsentse lekwalokopo le le ikuelang go kgotlatshekelo ya molaotheo gore e gogele tshwetso ya go golola ga Walus ka parola morago le gore tona ya tsa kgopololo e thibele tiriso ya lekwalo la taelo ya kgotlatshekelo pele go dirwa dithetso.
Janusz Walus has completed a victim offender dialogue process, which we do not know about. Austin doesn't know about that. She's the principal person affected in this case with her children, but herself, who has been through thick and thin with this process, and even told Janusz Walus lawyers that if you want to engage in a victim offender dialogue process, communicate with me through my lawyers.
Bobotlana mongwe wa baitseanape ba tsa semolao a re ditshono tsa go atlega ga lekwalokopo le di le tobo.
The idea is that they will seek to persuade the judges who've just carefully considered the case that they should reconsider the case and change their verdict in the matter. It's a very difficult kind of application to bring. The only two that I know of are the two that were brought by Jacob Zuma and the public protector separately, and both of them failed. So the prospects of success by the SACP and Mrs. Hani are not particularly rosy.
Ga jaana letlha la dithetso ga le ise le rebolwe.